Hi, I'm Scott Kiner. I am your host for this edition of Real Estate Today. This program provides meaningful information to homeowners who are dealing with the real estate crisis. My guest today is a prominent Palm Springs attorney, a real estate attorney and broker by the name of Mitchell Reed Sussman. Welcome, Mitchell.
Good to be here, Scott. Thanks for having me.
When the real estate market was red hot, and many thought that it would never be anything other than red hot, many homeowners took out second trust deeds on their homes to buy cars and take vacations and other things as well. Well, today the real estate market isn't hot. As a matter of fact, most people are upside down in their homes. And so the question is, if I can't modify my loan, is there a way that I can get rid of my second trust deed? And that's the topic for today's show. Mitchell, is there any way to eliminate a second trust deed?
Yes, there's absolutely a way to eliminate your second mortgage in bankruptcy through a Chapter 13. A Chapter 13 will allow you to eliminate second mortgages. Unlike a Chapter 7, a Chapter 13 has a vehicle whereby second mortgages, if they are undersecured, by that I mean if there is no equity in the property to support the second.
If the lender is unwilling to discount the second mortgage, does bankruptcy offer any help?
Yes, Chapter 13s or Chapter 11s, because of 11 U.S.C. Section 506, allow you to cram down or eliminate mortgages that are unsecured.
What exactly is lien stripping?
Lien stripping is actually the legal term used for what I just described. Again, under the bankruptcy code, if a mortgage is essentially unsecured because of the fact that the senior mortgages are greater than the value of the property, then that unsecured mortgage can be lien stripped or removed.
Is lien stripping available in Chapter 7s and Chapter 13s?
Unfortunately, lien stripping is not available in a liquidation plan, which is a Chapter 7. Lien stripping is only available in either a Chapter 11 or a Chapter 13, and that's why if you're a homeowner and you're trying to save your home, Chapter 13 is the viable alternative to simply walking away.
Does lien stripping apply to first and second mortgages?
Unfortunately, lien stripping only applies to junior liens. If you only have a first mortgage on your house and the house is still underwater or worth less than the value of the first mortgage, lien stripping is not available.
So what happens after the lien has been stripped?
When a lien is stripped in Chapter 11 or Chapter 13, the lien or security comes off the real estate. However, the obligation does not completely disappear. In Chapter 11 or Chapter 13, these are repayment programs. And in either Chapter 11 or Chapter 13, you will be given the opportunity to pay that at a discounted rate that has to be approved in the plan.
Thank you, Mitchell. That was very informative. I'm sure our viewers learned something today that can help them through these very difficult economic times. That's today's show. But before we go, if someone viewing the show or a real estate professional has a particular topic or subject they would like to see on this show, you can reach me by email at scottk@kinercom.com. If you have a question about this show or a question for Mitchell, you can reach him by email at mitchell.sussman@palmspringsLitigationAttorney.com. Thank you for watching.
Real Estate Today is brought to you by BBVA Compass.